Okay, this is going to be today's video review for Friday, September, excuse me, the 25th, 2015 for Drummond Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So today in the markets, we're looking at the S&P futures contract. We're looking at the December. And essentially, our trader likes to draw lines, it looks like. But essentially, also, if you're looking at the market here with us just for the very first time, this white dotted line, when it hooks up, we like to draw a valley of support, just like this. And then, of course, if the line does the reverse and hooks down, like it does here, we like to draw a crest of resistance. We could draw one here, and we could also draw one right about here. But essentially, it gives us something to do while we're trading, but it also provides real-time support and resistance. And we do have software that plots our support and resistance in real time as well, which we'll be talking about. But as price is coming down, you'll notice these dots are strong and they're below the solid white midline. We're expecting this area right here to provide a very, very strong place for the trader to get in short, and we expect price to continue down very strong. In other words, like this. Now, of course, price did not, and it stopped, like it ran into a wall. We call these leans. These are leans of support. So price stopped right there. So that block obviously didn't do a very good job of continuing the trend. But under the condition that our dots up here are staying way, way above this solid white midline, there's a pretty good indication that would have been the case. So let's have a look at what a short would have looked like here and what a long potentially would have looked like here. So here on the left chart, this area right in through here, this is what we would consider to be our block. That's the same area here on the right chart. You'll notice this pink resistance level. This is the upper energy band that you can see here on our left chart. This is being plotted here in real time on the right chart. And you'll notice this is our favorite setup. It's a crest of resistance, strong dots, pulls back into the block. The block should continue the trend to go higher. But you'll notice in this upper energy band and this upper energy band of the left chart, there's a confluence of resistance happening in this upper yellow, which we call the overlap. And we know that because our bricks, the tops of our bricks go sideways to down. And this is what we call brick momentum. And on this red brick close, our trader would be considering a short, thinking that this trend is going to continue going down. As price comes down, it comes right down into this valley of support located here at 1933. So this 1933 we're thinking is going to break because we're coming down, from a very, very strong block, and we're expecting, the energy of the crowd to continue to push price down. But you can see quite the opposite is taking place. In fact, right here on this bar, you'll notice the bottom of the brick. This brick and this brick, they have lower brick lows, but here the brick is higher. Equal to higher suggests this support and this crest, this valley of support is providing strong support. So on this green brick, our trader would go long, and we would do so because we're under a weak dot condition after a strong dot into a valley of support. Just like this right chart here had a strong dot, weak dot into a crest of resistance. So if you're interested in learning more, we do offer up a lot of scalping techniques that the trader can use this chart in real time to engage the market. Please send us an email at jb@drummondenergybands.com, and thank you very much for your interest, and have a great weekend.